Hop into the 2022 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.